Hi, Jansi. Good afternoon.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
How are you, Jansi?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking, Jansi. So, Jansi, you received the JD from our recruiter, the profile you are
Yes.
coming for the opening. You are clear the job role and responsibility, or you need to be clarification from my end.
Yes, sir. I'm clear, sir.
Okay. Still, I'll help you. Okay. So, my name is Ranjan. Our company is looking somebody who was into at least a 4 month to 1 year experience in this position in a data roles. When a data roles is data analytics, data visualization, reporting, data quality, data governance, strong knowledge in SQL, Excel, Tableau, Python, and the understanding of governance that we are looking the profile. And this will be individual role, contribution role to the global leaders. They can mostly communicate, independently work with the global leaders like USA and Australia. Do you think the profile matching with you?
Yes, sir. My profile are most probably match with your requirement, and I'm also good with SQL, Excel, and Tableau.
Great. Okay. So me and my team want to know more about your profile, your background, your experience, how was in the internship experience, and then later you can share your, what you like and what is your roadmap of your career. So can you please start from your end?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Um, my name is Chansi, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm from Bangalore, India. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science from APS College of Engineering in the year of 2025. Coming to my intern, I have around 4 months of intern work experience as a data analyst, data management, reporting using SQL, Microsoft Excel, Tableau, PPT, and Python. Coming to my daily tasks, I involved my communicating with clients and stakeholder, different manager to understand business requirement related to data. I am well versed in Microsoft SQL, uh, extracting, manipulating data from database where I use to SQL joins, set operators, where clause having and group by, ranking and building complex queries in SQL. I also have good knowledge in Microsoft SQL where I work using Excel filters, data visualization, data validation, conditional formatting, formulas, VLOOKUPs, pivot tables, pivot charts, reporting and dashboards. I have working knowledge in data visualization tool like Tableau, where I build reports and dashboards shared with the concerned teams. I have good understanding and knowledge about data quality and governance. And in my free time, I can do crafts and painting some creative parts.
Very good. Perfect. Very nice. The background you showed. So, good. So, I want to know the few things understanding about your technically into database SQL. How do you manage into data and how do you preparing for the report using SQL? That you want to know. So, what is when I'm telling database, which database you are using right now in your or your last project?
I'm using SQL Server for database as a
Okay,
database.
Okay, database. SQL is classified. How many type? How it will be classification into SQL database.
I'm using Microsoft SQL. Microsoft SQL is a stand for Microsoft SQL Management Studio. Microsoft is a brand name. SQL is we are doing query through language with that. And Management Studio is the sheet where we have to do queries. Um, it is overall bridge between Microsoft brand and the studio.
Okay. So you know that the database classified into four type DDL, all this. So what are the
Yes.
any idea about
DDL, DML, and DCL, and I think
TCL?
TCL. One more.
TCL. So out of four, which one you as a data person, as a managing data analytics, which section you are frequently use daily basis?
In daily basis, we used DML, data
Data
manipulation
manipulation.
language.
We are managing the data, correct?
Yes,
And
sir.
in case consider you are a developer, which section you are preferring more?
I think DML, DDL,
Data, okay, data definition, correct. Data
data
DDL,
definition.
yes, DDL, perfect. So here, as you know, the database is everything. If you go to any profile like analysis, reporting, visualization, data science, governance, anything. So one thing, tell me, nowadays, data is like the breach. We need to be control the data access. We need to, data privacy, data breach, access control, all this. In SQL, can you tell me
Yes.
how we can control data access using which area in database, SQL Server or any database?
Uh, we can use constraints for data privacy and
Very nice.
good data because
Hmm.
constraint can restrict the invalid data which came from end users
Hmm.
using 5 types of constraints that are not null, primary key, check, default, and unique.
Okay. And what about data access control?
Data access control, um, maybe
Suppose,
controlling.
yeah, suppose consider I don't want to give the somebody to get all the data. I want to give the attribute wise data. In which scenario you are going to use in database?
Sorry, sir, come again.
Suppose there is a 10 lakh record in my database, like in my table. I want to give the data, like there is a five department, HR, finance, sales. I want to give the few department to the few people, okay? And
Yes.
similarly, I want to not given all the attribute to the some peoples. So in this case scenario, how will you implement in database these things?
So
Which concept? Yeah.
for this we can create a persons as three group
Hmm.
that are process and people, process, and technology. In
Hmm.
people, they can do the
No, no. My question
they
in
can be.
database point of view, database point of how you implement. That I understand you are talking of framework. I'm talking about how you implement in that practically. In
So,
SQL, in attribute based access, all this, you have any idea? Like row
no,
level,
sir.
column level, you are not done this thing?
No, I can't recall that. Sorry,
Yeah.
sir.
So that is called view, correct? SQL views using.
It's a virtual table of.
Can you explain right now after also giving hints?
Yes, a view is a like virtual table of
Mm-hmm.
in our database. We can view all the records stored in the database
Mm-hmm.
with the structure also. We can see with view.
Okay, you mean based on the view access control, we can, access control will be there like attribute basis control we can give it and managing in, data. All right, excellent.
Yes,
What are the different type of joins you used in your database?
different type of joins. Inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, full join, and self join. In inner join, for join operations, we required two tables and same column between both tables having same data type. Having same data type means they should have only integer data type like EID, MID, like this. In inner join, uh, both data type takes common values between them, and joins works in horizontally. Left join contains all the data from the left and matches with the right table. Right join contains all the data from join and matches with the left join. A full join contains all data from both table. And self join is join within one table. Because if We have manager ID, employee ID, and names. We can use to see which employee has which manager. So for that we use self join.
Okay. What are the different Windows function you used in daily basis in data to manage?
Uh, Windows functions are also called as rank functions. There
Mm-hmm.
are four types: rank, dense rank, row number, and entile. Uh, Dense rank is don't skip the value. It will continue, and rank is skips the value. Row number gives the index value, and entire will grouping the value. If we are having 12 records, that will we that we want to that 12 records as a three group, that will give.
Okay, nice. So jumping to the next part of this core, like as you know, this part is we are focusing into data governance, quality, all this. So what is data governance and why now does all the organization enterprises level they are implementing data governance? What is the data governance first?
Data governance is ruling the data management. What data management are collected and storing, accessing the data. That data are ruling by data governor by following some policies.
Hmm. Okay. What is data quality?
Um, Data quality is which to checking the data is fit or not for usage. Like
Okay.
it is for data
Yeah,
quality,
yeah, correct.
it should be
No, 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 no.
completeness,
Yeah, yeah.
accuracy, and
Jansi, yeah. So
yes,
what are the data quality dimensions?
data quality dimensions are accuracy, timeliness, completeness, and consistency. Um, yes, there are.
Okay, okay. What would be data validation in data quality dimension? When somebody is doing validation of a data, what do you mean that?
Data validation is we can validate the data. Like in SQL, we use constraint to restrict the data. In data validation, also we can restrict the data or what will impact our quality data. Like we can mention only which data we can store in the database, and yes, that is.
Okay, okay, excellent. What is uh, when I'm talking about data visualization? Uh, what do you mean that data visualization and which tool you are using for data visualizations?
Data visualization. Uh, for data visualization, I'm using Tableau.
Mhm.
Data visualization is pictorial representation of graphs and charts by easily understand the uh, insights of the data.
Inside the data. Why Tableau is the leader in industries? What are the advantages
Uh,
of a Tableau?
we can do data visualization in many tools like Excel also, but compared to Excel, uh, Tableau is more interactive, and in Excel we can't connect the other data source. In Tableau, we can connect 100 plus data source, and it will give dashboard within a seconds, data visualization within a seconds, and it will contain large number of records also.
Okay. What is the difference between data, you know, uh, dimension and measure in Tableau?
Uh, Data dimensions are contains text columns, and data measures as contains integer values, numerical
Mhm.
values. Like data dimensions have name, um, country, state, and data measures has sales amount like that. But in some case, with the Tableau, business intelligence tool, so that sometimes mobile number also go through dimension by
Okay,
Tableau intelligence.
okay, okay, nice. So tell me, moving to the few question I want to know, in data visualization, even you are doing one more tool for a data processing and a data validation, data formatting. Can you tell me, elaborate, what is the difference between data validation, data processing, and data formatting
Mhm. Data
or conditional
validation.
formatting?
Conditional formatting is which we can give the condition, particular condition to show the record. For example, uh, in sales, we have to see more than 50,000. We can give that condition and color that which we want, and we can change the font also and sort by the color. That will show us conditional. And about data validation, um, so I no idea.
Okay, nice. Can you tell me what is the maximum size of a data we can store in one Excel sheet?
We can store 10 lakh 48,000 in Excel sheet.
Okay. And you mentioned that project management, sorry, data management, you build a project in your internship. Can you bit elaborate what are the steps and what is your role in that project?
First, we had collect the data. Personally, I collect the sales data, and in Excel, I do all data cleaning in Excel, and then extract the data to the SQL using ETL management. And after extracting the data, I do query through analysis at SQL, and and SQL server connect with the Tableau, and in Tableau I do all the visualization, and I importing the file to the Python. I do all the um, matplot library and pandas for visualization and cleaning also.
Very nice. So I was going through your internship. You are spending into more into building data management, data quality, data governance, and a very strong knowledge in Tableau, as you are telling, and a SQL. You are an intern. How you got this opportunity and how you get to explore? Because of comparing 10-year experience, people don't know this many things basics, but you know how.
Because after my graduation, I joined that. I joined Data Gyan Analytics Academy with refer to my brother. So in Data Gyan, I can learn many things using for data analytics and data governance that will help me more than 2 years experience.
Okay. So do you client handling experience?
Mm,
Like you're dealing with the
Actually,
client and the customer? Yeah.
in my internship, I don't have any clients to meet or do something,
Hmm.
but I can learn in coming days.
Okay. Perfect. So what is your strength, Jansi?
Sir, I can quickly learn any. I can quickly learn anything, and if I do something, I will complete that thing within a particular date, and I will give my all effort to that thing.
Imagine a scenario, there is a new tool we are going to introduce in your project. So nobody is there to help you. You are the only one person, technically person is there, but client consider that one new tool that you don't have earlier experience. So tell me, what is your approach? How will you implement that tool into that project, and how will give that tool knowledge to other team member?
So if there is a situation like I want to do it alone, I can take the guidance from senior people,
No, there
And
nobody's
when
there. I'm taking nobody's there. Then what is your approach?
um,
Okay, no issue, fine, perfect. So, tell me, Jansi, do you consider yourself as a success?
yes, sir, because I have made very good friends and taken internship at very good academy. So I feel I'm successful.
Okay, perfect, Jansi. And nice to meet you, Jansi. And I feel that, uh, we have a few candidates and further round will be there. In case your profile is shortlisted, our HR will get back to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question for me right now?
Yes, sir. I have one question for you. And you said that my profile is matched with your requirements. And how it will be gone if I selected to your company?
Okay. So there is a further round. The next round, HR will be give the clarity picture once you attend the in case you are shortlisted the first round. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All the best, Nancy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.